What's up guys, this is Abhishek here and welcome back to my channel Technical Tech. In today's video I'm going to show you how to write a perfect post with a proper SEO, that is search engine optimization. So guys, without wasting time, let's start. So guys, the tips number 1 is minimum 300 words in a post. Most of the users try to write a post short and simple. But if you are doing this mistake too, then it's time to make a change, because according to research, Google always recommend a post which is having minimum 300 words on it.
As here you can see, I am writing a post on top 10 SEO tips makes your website in Google's first page. And I have made sure that my post contains minimum 300 words, and with that my content is also a user friendly, so that everyone can find easy to read and understand. So writing a post in 300 words is important, but with that your post should be user friendly.
Tips number 2 is use minimum plugins. As plugins are very important for our website, it makes our work easier and simple.
Make sure you always choose important plugins, and with that try to use as less plugins as you can, because the more plugins you use, again it may increase your page loading time, and that's a not good sign for SEO, that is search engine optimization.
So make sure you use only the important plugins in your website and try to use as less plugins as you can. Tips number 3 is header in a post. Guys, whenever you write a post, make sure to add at least 1 or 2 header on it, and it should be your focus keyword. The time someone is searching for something, Google is going to scan your post and try to find what you have mentioned in the header, and if your header match the keyword, Google is going to show your post in the search result, and like this you will gain a lot of viewers and your page will also rank on Google. So make sure to add at least 1 or 2 header on your post, and it should be your focus keyword.
As here you can see, I am writing a post on top 10 SEO tips. Okay, so my header should be here top 10 SEO tips, and I can choose a header from here as it is a main heading. So I'm going to select heading number 1, or if you want you can choose number 2. Now the time Google will scan my post, it will find that top 10 SEO tips is mentioned in my header, and he can understand that my post is related to SEO tips, and it is going to display in the search result. So adding a header in your post, it's always being a good idea.
Tips number 4 is bullets and numbering. Guys, adding bullets and numbering is always being a great idea, because it makes your post more user friendly and user can understand your post more easily. So make sure whenever you write a post, if you are getting a chance to add a bullets and numbering, then add it right there.
As here you can see, I have mentioned the title of my content in top 10 SEO tips, like what all things users are going to get in my post. Okay, so as for example, lightweighted themes, minimum plugins. So I'm going to select these things all. From here you can add bullets or numbering. So as I have mentioned top 10 SEO tips, so I'm going to select numbering. So now user can understand number 1, 2, 3, 4 serially what they will get in my website.
Tips number 5 is adding an image and a proper tagging on it. Whenever you write a post, try to use as less image as you can, and the image which you are going to use on a post, don't forget to do a proper tagging on it.
So for adding an image, go to add media. In this I'm going to select upload file. From here select files. So this is the file which I am going to add. Okay, it has been successfully uploaded, so I am going to click on insert into post. This is how you can add image to your post. Okay, now let me show you how you can do image tagging. By clicking on this, you can select where you want to put your image, left, right, center. So I want to align it in center, and from here I can select my image size. So I want to display it in full thumbnail, okay, full size. It's done. And here you are able to see alternative text. Here you have to mention your image tagging. So this post is related to top 10 SEO tips. So here I am going to mention top 10 SEO tips, okay, and click on update. Like this, what will happen, I am going to show you one example. And searching for image which is related to your post, you have mentioned top 10 SEO tips, okay. Just imagine someone is typing here top 10 SEO tips. If you have done a proper image tagging, then your post image is going to shown over here, and by clicking on your image, user can directly visit your website, and like this you can gain lots of more visitors in your website.
So adding an image in your post is always being a great idea, and you should add at least one image in your post. Tips number 6 is outbound link. Guys, whenever you write a post, make sure to add at least 1 or 2 outbound link, and that link should be related to some web page or a post which is already in high ranking positions in Google search engine.
So how to add outbound link in your website? Let's find out. Guys, as here you can see, this is the post which I have written, and here you can see I have mentioned top 10 SEO tips. So by selecting this, you can select any area, whatever you like. You can select SEO, whatever link you want to provide, you can select that particular text, or if you want, you can write it separately. So here I am going to show you few examples. As for example, here it is mentioned top 10 SEO tips, and I want to put here one outbound link. So for this, I am going to here insert and edit link, and here I am going to post one outbound link. So this is my YouTube channel, and here I have posted a video on top 10 Google SEO tips. So I am going to copy this link and I am going to post it over here, okay, and hit the enter. So like this one, as here you can see, this is a link added over here. And like this, if you have YouTube channel, then like this you can also increase the viewers of your YouTube channel from your website. Now I am going to share one more outbound link with video thumbnail, okay. So how to do this? Let's find out. At the end of my video, I always used to put one thumbnail with a video, okay. So here I am going to mention, click here to watch the video on SEO on top 10 SEO tips, okay. This is the, and here I am going to share a video link. So hit the enter button, go to add media, okay. Here you select insert from URL, and here you post your video URL. As the same URL I am going to share over here, top 10 SEO tips, copy link address, and here I am gonna paste the address, okay. So it will look like this, and click on insert into post, and my video has been successfully inserted in my post. So like this you can add a video URL with the thumbnail in your post. And at the end, I always used to mention my YouTube channel link. So here I will write click here to subscribe to my YouTube channel Technical Tech for more interesting videos, okay. And here I am also going to add one outbound link. As here you can see, my channel conditions is very good and it is having more than 5 lakhs viewer. Okay, so I'm going to insert my channel URL in this link. So same, I'm going to select the entire text over here and click on insert a link, and here I will insert my YouTube channel URL. So I'm going to write here www.youtube.com/technicaltechabhi. This is my YouTube channel link. Okay, and click on enter. Like this, you can add outbound link in your post.
Like this, Google will think that your website is providing useful information, and with that it is also providing useful links to the users, which is very helpful. So make sure to add at least 1 or 2 outbound links in your post, and it will be very helpful for your website. Guys, the next tips which I am going to share with you, for that you have to install a plugin called Yoast SEO, as this plugin is very useful for your website. It will say everything like what changes you have to make in a post to make it perfect. Tips number 7 is your focus keyword. Whenever you write a post, don't forget to mention the focus keyword. Focus keywords indicates like your post is related to what. As for example, I am writing a post on top 10 SEO tips. So my post is about SEO, that is search engine optimization. So I am going to mention my focus keyword as SEO. So make sure whenever you write a post, don't forget to mention the focus keyword on it, as it is very important for your post.
As here you can see, your Yoast SEO is also showing here no focus keyword was set for the page. Okay, so my post is about SEO tips, so I'm going to add my focus keyword SEO. Done, and here you can see it is gone from here.
Tips number 8 is SEO title and meta description. Whenever you write a post, make sure your post title it should be interesting and attractive, and with that don't forget to mention the meta descriptions on it.
The time you write a meta description, keep in mind that your meta description should not be too long, because Google will only show the 2 lines of your meta description. Make sure every information should be get inserted in 2 rows of the description. As here you can see, I have mentioned my SEO title as top 10 SEO tips makes your website in Google first page. It should be attractive whenever you write the title of your post.
Tips number 9 is your post tag. After writing your post, make sure to add a proper post tag on it, as it is very important for your website.
And you can insert a tag from here. So this post is related to top 10 SEO tips, so I am going to write here top 10 SEO tips. Okay, and you can separate your tag by using a comma. How to increase viewers in my website. So these are the tags which is related to SEO, so I'm going to add over here. Okay, so after doing these things all, now my post is ready to publish. So I'm going to click on publish my post. So it has been published successfully. Once you finish editing your website, check the Yoast SEO plugin. As here you can see, everything it is showing in green and it is showing on orange. Orange means that is fine. If you want to make some changes, you can do it, or you can leave it as it is, nothing to worry on that. And everything is green, that's a very good sign for your website, and it means you have done the proper SEO.
Tip number 10 is a featured image, or you can say the thumbnail of your post, because it is the only media which defines what is your post about.
Now the final tips which I am going to show you is set featured image. If you want, as here you can see, this is my website, okay, and here it is not showing my website which is related to top 10 SEO tips, which I have added over here in my post. Okay, and here you can see all my posts are showing an image. For adding a thumbnail of your post, select the featured image from here. So I'm going to set my featured image on this and click on set featured image. And here you can also add the alt text that is very important for your SEO, as I have already mentioned you last time, like what is called image tagging. So you can put here SEO, or you can put top 10 SEO tips and click on set featured image. Now let me click on update. Now if you go to your website and refresh the page, as here you can see it is showing the image, means it is showing the thumbnail of my post, top 10 SEO tips, how to rank your website on Google first page.
So guys, hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and comment, and for more interesting tech videos like this, you can just click here to subscribe to my channel Technical Tech. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.